Hi, we are going to talk about a new magma Imei repair tool credit. Magma tool released a new tool. Magma team released that you can repair Imei also Samsung only. Very easily you can repair Samsung Imei by using Magma. It's a need credit. You can download your Magma tool from here, or also you can go to login your account and to buy credit. Order now, select server service. You can see type here magma. You can see the magma Imei repair to Imei repair credit. Type quantity that you want, how many credits need to repair. You can check the magma tool. You can also download tool from here. Click the link, download magma Imei repair, magma FRP also, and network unlock. To repair Imei, download this tool. You can see the downloaded tool. Open tool, I have downloaded, and you can see here the tool. To buy credit, you have to open an account. To register, you have to register. Type your email, such as that's your email. Your email at the rate of Gmail or Yahoo or anything. Type your own password that you want here. Then click to register. If you have already any magma tool account, Imei repair or unlock or FRP remove tool, so you can use same account for Imei repair. If you have no account, so register like this. You can see the register successfully. Then copy this email, open tool. You can copy your email from here, paste your email in here. Then type your quantity that you want, any amount you can type here. Then order now for your credit. And how can you check how many credits you need to repair? Open the tool, select your model. You can see here a lot of model here. Here you can see the, if you want to repair Imei for Samsung Galaxy A01, you have to buy 55 credits. 55 credits, 40 credits. You can see here few model need 60 credits, few models need 80, 45, 90 credits. You can see here. You can also check your phone model very easily, uh, also from search option on the tool. You can see here the a lot of model. You can search your model in here, such as if you need to repair Samsung G970 EO, you can see the Samsung G970 EO, Samsung S10e model. It's need to 90 credit. That's a credit you need. You can buy from Asunlocker, and you can repair your Imei. Type here your Imei that's you want to. If your phone single Imei, then unmark the Imei 2, then click the repair. If your phone is 2 Imei, dual Imei I mean, so type here your second Imei, then press the repair option. Then our tool will start the repair. You can see no device found. When you will connect your phone automatically detect. Just refresh and press on repair. I hope you will be this video will be helpful for you to repair Samsung Imei very easily. So you can use magma tool to repair Imei. Thanks for using asunlocker.com to buy credit, and thanks for watching my video tutorial. And this tutorial will be helpful for you. I hope